In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar court rule in Clio Manage. To get started, sign in to your Clio Manage account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Settings. This is where you'll manage firm-wide options, including court rule jurisdictions that can later be applied to matters and calendars. Inside Settings, select Court Rules. This section allows you to control which court rule sets are available for your firm to use. When the page opens, stay on the Jurisdictions tab, then click Add New Jurisdictions. This will open the area where you can search for courts or jurisdictions that you want to enable. Next, use the search field to find the specific court or jurisdiction you need to add. It helps to be as accurate as possible when searching, so you can locate the correct rule set quickly. Once you find the right option, select the checkbox next to the jurisdiction you want to enable for your firm. If you want to confirm that you've chosen the correct jurisdiction before adding it, click the View icon to review the jurisdiction details. This can be useful if there are multiple similar options and you want to verify you're enabling the right one. After you've confirmed your selection, click Add Selected Jurisdictions or Save, depending on what appears on your screen. This will enable that jurisdiction so it can be used when calendaring deadlines. Once the jurisdiction has been added, open the matter where you want to apply court rules. From inside that matter, go to the Calendar tab. This is where you can generate deadline entries based on the court rules you just enabled. Now click Add Court Rules. You'll be prompted to select the enabled jurisdiction, so choose the one you added earlier. After that, enter the trigger date or filing date, depending on the workflow you're using. Clio Manage will use that date to calculate the related deadlines according to the selected court rules. Before finishing, review the generated deadlines carefully to make sure everything looks correct for the matter. When you're ready, save the generated deadlines to add them to the matter calendar. This makes it easier to track important dates and helps keep your scheduling organized and consistent. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled a court rule jurisdiction and applied it to a matter in Clio Manage. Thanks for watching.